Today we're going to put an EnduraCam waterproof monitor kit on this backhoe. This is what we did for the install on the Case 580 Super K backhoe. Before you go to install a system completely, wiring it, putting it through the looms, hard mounting it, whatever, plug in your monitor, plug in your cameras, just like I did right now. Make sure everything's working. That way you know your power supply is good, your monitor's functioning correctly, and your cameras are good to go. As soon as you do this, go ahead and start your install. Start putting your cameras where you think you're gonna want them. Use the magnets, don't hard mount them right away. Use the magnets so you get an idea of the views. And once you figure it out, if you decide to hard mount at that time, go for it. But the magnets do have a 99 foot-pound pull, so it takes a lot to take them off. I'd recommend using our magnets if you've got metal that you can attach them to. In this particular case, I'm gonna suggest to put it up top instead of down below. But with a magnet, it's nice and easy. Check this out. Grab your monitor. That's an easy install. We put the EnduraCam right here with the magnet mount, right here on top, so it can see the front of the backhoe. First, you gotta have 12-volt power, which we do right here. Running a magnet to the top of the monitor and to the top of the cap. This is a 7-inch AHD quality waterproof monitor. We ran some of the cables through here. Then we thought it would be best if we put an EnduraCam right here on the back, so when we swivel around, we can monitor the bucket. So this is a pretty simple install. We've got two EnduraCams. All we ended up using was a 10-foot extension cable to get to the one in the back. This one is so close to the monitor that we just used the 3-foot pigtail that comes with the EnduraCam. With a magnet on the monitor, you could, if you wanted to, when you're using the bucket, switch the monitor and stick it right here, and then you can see what's going on that way. By having the camera in the back, you can see behind you. Even though the bucket is up, you still have at least some view so you know what's going on. And to me, that seems like a good place to put it. But this is a pretty simple install. You've got two EnduraCams, you've got a monitor and a power supply, and one extension cable. That completes the backhoe installation with two EnduraCams.